Yāvadetān nirīkṣhe yoḍdhukāmān avasthitān. Kairmayā saha yoḍdhavyam asmin raṇasamudyame. In this verse, Arjuna refers to Krishna as Achyuta, the unshakable one, showcasing his trust in Krishna's guidance. As the warrior prepares for the greatest battle of his life, his request to position the chariot reveals his intention to observe the battlefield closely. Arjuna's words reflect a blend of strategic foresight and emerging moral conflict. On the one hand, he wants to assess the warriors he will face, preparing his mind for the fight. On the other, the proximity to his opponents, many of whom are family and revered teachers, begins to stir doubt and anguish within him. This verse symbolizes the initial cracks in Arjuna's confidence, setting the stage for his eventual spiritual awakening. Krishna's silent acquiescence hints at the depth of wisdom and support that will soon unfold. This verse comes from the opening chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, titled Arjuna Vishada Yoga, or the Yoga of Arjuna's Dejection. As the battle of Kurukshetra looms, Arjuna, one of the Pandavas, finds himself at a crossroads. His request to Krishna to place the chariot between the armies marks a crucial turning point. For the first time, Arjuna is forced to confront the harsh reality of war, not just as a warrior, but as a human being. Seeing his own kin, elders, and beloved friends on the opposing side shakes his resolve. This moment transitions the narrative from an epic battle story to a profound philosophical journey. Arjuna's inner turmoil and despair become the catalyst for Krishna's timeless teachings, highlighting the eternal struggle between duty, morality, and personal emotions. The Bhagavad Gita, part of the epic Mahabharata, stands as one of the most revered texts in Indian philosophy. Set amidst the Kurukshetra war, it unfolds through a conversation between Arjuna and Krishna. This discourse bridges the physical and spiritual realms, addressing universal questions of duty, ethics, and the nature of existence. Arjuna's despair, stemming from the thought of waging war against his own kin, represents a dilemma that transcends time. Krishna, as his charioteer, becomes his spiritual guide, offering profound insights that extend beyond the battlefield. This dialogue not only addresses the immediate conflict, but also provides a roadmap for leading a life of righteousness and purpose. This verse carries timeless relevance, teaching us the importance of introspection and clarity in decision-making. Arjuna's request to position the chariot reflects the need to understand our surroundings and assess situations before taking significant action. In today's fast-paced world, this translates into mindful evaluation of our choices, considering their impact on others and the broader context. By pausing to reflect, as Arjuna does, we can cultivate wisdom and make informed ethical decisions in both personal and professional spheres. This practice not only leads to better outcomes, but also ensures alignment with our values and principles, much like the lessons Krishna imparts in the Gita. Let us carry this lesson forward in our lives, to pause, reflect, and understand the broader perspective before taking action. For in doing so, we align ourselves not only with our purpose, but with the eternal truths that guide us to fulfillment and peace. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe with the bell on for more updates.